Okay, cycle of fourths on the key of B flat. What's that? Okay, so left hand side we have F sharp, B flat, C, and F. Then right hand side we have, for the slow we have C and F. Then we are slurring from C sharp to D. So we have this. So this melody, this is C and E flat. Then this is B flat and D. Then over the 6 we have left hand side, this is F, A, B flat and D. Then right hand side we have our slow as well, this is G and C, and we are slurring from A flat to A like this. Then so this tritone we have F and B. Then right hand side we have G, E flat major triad, E flat, G and B flat. So over the 2, rootless voicing is C. Left hand side we have E tritone, just E and B flats. Then right hand side we have D major triad, D, F sharp and A. Over the 5, left hand side we have E flat, G, A flat and C. Then right hand side we have our slow, which is F and B flat. Then we are slurring from F sharp to G like that. Then our passing chord, left hand side off to the 1. Left hand side we have D, A flat and C. Then right hand side, this is the passing chord. This is just E, A and C sharp. Then so to spell that, this is F. Then we are slurring from C, C sharp to D. Then flipping it back from C sharp to C and B flat. We'll come to the 4. Left hand side we have E flat, B flat. With our thumb we have F and G. Then right hand side we have D, F, B flat. Then we are slurring from F sharp to the G like that. Then the arpeggio I did here is quite different from the rest. Every key is just unique in its own way. That's what I can say. So over on B flat, that's the arpeggio that sounds unique to me, guys. So we have B flat and C. Then for the left hand, right hand side we have F, B flat and C. So you repeat the same thing and play it across different octaves.